Hi, this is Yashasvi from Internet 2.0 conference. I have Anil Pande with me. First of all, congratulations, Anil, for getting this recognition. And I want you to introduce yourself.
Sure, my name is Anil Pande. I am an IT professional with over 25 years experience. I've worked in all different sectors, and also I've set up my own company called TestPro Consulting. We're I would say, a niche pure play software testing company.
Okay.
And we have offices in the UK, Portugal, India, and we're opening an office in the US very, very soon. We've had some good success in recent times.
Well, that's really good to know that. And even like if it to come up to the certain questions, so even I would like to know, like, could you let us know what lead you to winning this award?
I think it's my long time in the industry. I've made some very good connections. I've worked in some very blue chip strategic companies, and also I've been working quite outside of the typical 9 to 5 jobs. I've done presentations, I've done speeches, and I've got myself to be known within the testing industry.
Right.
And not only that, I'd say also support from my mentors, from my managers, and of course from my family. I must mention Jay Sawa. He's my business partner, and he's been fundamental in my success.
Oh, well, that's really good to know that. The other question, like I would ask from you is like, how do you think like the industry transforming these lives at a global scale?
Well, it's incredible how I feel, at least, how technology has changed everything we know. I mean, only 20 years ago, 25 years ago, everybody had it was a pager was the way you used to communicate between each other. Now we have mobile phones, which do absolutely everything. So it's a phenomenal change, and also now I think with AI coming in. Chat GPT is everywhere, and it's taking the world by storm. I think there'll be even more change. But for me personally, change is a good thing. Change brings opportunity. And if we don't change, we don't adapt, we don't grow, and we don't get better. So I'm all in favor of what's happening around technology and how it's changing positively the world globally.
Right, some great words you have said there. That is really good to know that. Other than that, like if you talk about Internet 2.0, so how has the conference for you, like for so far?
Yeah, it's been great. I mean, unfortunately, I couldn't actually make it to Las Vegas this time, so I've been joining virtually. I'm really, really impressed with the spread of the audience, the different verticals and different sectors that are represented. I'm obviously very impressed with the number of people who've actually turned up, and some great topics. I especially enjoyed the talks around blockchain. It's again another thing of the future. Very interesting to get some insight into that. I really, really enjoyed it. Really useful, not only from a professional perspective, but also from a networking and connect perspective as well.
I see. Well, that's really good to know, and that is really great to hear that. And even like, please do tell us where we can find out the information about your company and how we can reach out to you.
Yeah, we're on all social media, but I would say obviously check out our website testproconsulting.com. There'll be emails and telephone numbers where you can reach out to the team or even myself at anil.pande@testproconsulting.com. We're heavily marketing or branding on LinkedIn, so reach out there as well. We're pretty well known, so you shouldn't have a problem.
All right, that's really good to know that. Well, thank you so much, Anil, for having us. It was lovely speaking with you. We will be looking forward to meet you in our upcoming conference as well.
Thank you so much for your time as well, and I hope I can meet some people in person next time.
Sure.
Looking forward to it.
Have a nice day. Bye bye.